If you guys haven't heard this song yet, I don't know what to tell you.
We are the soldiers of the IDF, the world's most moral army. And we have discovered a solution to a most perplexing quandary. The human shield when a terrorist hides behind a human shield. What do you do? Let the terrorists go? Well, we say no. Human shields are expendable because they're animals. So we propose to go and shoot the shields. We should shoot the shields, the human shields.
Well, they ain't human, so it's really okay
to shoot the shields, shoot the shields. We should shoot the shields, the human shields.
Now do you do this? Shoot 'em right in the face.
Patrolling Gaza the other day, I shot a human shield as she kneeled down to pray. One more terrorist shield out of the way. Oy vey, let's party. Shoot the shields, we should shoot the shields, the human shields.
No, they ain't human, yeah, we blow them away.
To shoot the shields, we should shoot the shields, the human shields.
What do you do there? Come on, don't be ashamed.
I was driving my Merkava tank. A half a dozen shields got stuck under my tread. I'm not sure if all of them were dead, but I'll go back again and shoot the shields. We should shoot the shields, the human shields.
Yeah, they ain't human, so there's nothing to pay.
To shoot the shields, we should shoot the shields, the human shields.
Not do us proud and put that kid in the grave.
I was flying my F-35. I bombed 100 shields, not one terrorist died. That ain't what I call no war crime. No way, it's fine to shoot the shields. We should shoot the shields, the human shields.
They can't be human 'cause I don't feel a thing.
To shoot the shields, we should shoot the shields, the human shields.
Oh, it ain't murder, power, whatever they say.
I tortured business with sodomy. All my friends and neighbors came and started to cheer me. Isn't that a heartwarming story? Yeah, like family, supportively we shoot the shields. We should shoot the shields, the human shields.
No, they ain't human, no, you don't need a thing.
To shoot the shields, we should shoot the shields, the human shields.
You pull that trigger, don't you dare hesitate.
To shoot the shields, we should shoot the shields, the human shields.
They surrender or are running away.
Shoot the shields, we should shoot the shields, the human shields.
And this is how we prevent anti-Semitism.
We shoot the shields.
Wow. That was some pretty intense Garrys Mod footage. Wow. I gotta admit, like, even back in my day, we weren't using Garrys Mod this creatively. This is pretty, that was pretty intense. But it, and I know this is meant to be funny, but all jokes aside, there is 100% a genocide going on over there right now in the Gaza Strip and in Lebanon. It's 100% happening. And all this like crappy propaganda otherwise, they won't even let journalists go in there because the journalists will get utterly destroyed. So I just wanted to show you guys this song because this is the song that they don't want you to hear. And I think it's a good song, and I like this particular Garrys Mod edit, and I wanted to share it with you guys. I'll put the original link in the description. By all means, check out the original video. Don't just check out my version of it. But this really is the, you hear all the time, oh, that's human shields. Well, this is the attitude of the IDF. Okay, the IDF is like, oh, there's a human shield. They don't care. So, and don't get me wrong, I don't really think neither side is that good. I don't really support either side, and I do think the human shields dynamic is real, but the IDF doesn't care. So it's just a messed up situation, guys. And I want to bring attention to it. I want to bring awareness of it. And I thought this video was a perfect way to really get people's attention and bring awareness to it. This is one of the best versions of this video that I've seen so far. And it really brings attention to what is really going on over there. And that's why I'm sharing it with you guys today. Guys, if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon, all the good stuff. See you guys in the next one. JordanJJereb signing off.